Mix 1 part household bleach to 10 parts water and apply it carefully to the toilet overflow tube to help dissolve mineral buildup. Start by opening windows and wearing gloves and eye protection, because chlorine vapors can irritate skin and lungs. Prepare a fresh solution by measuring 1 part household bleach and adding 10 parts cold water in a plastic container. Never mix bleach with ammonia or any cleaner that might contain acids or ammonia, because that creates dangerous gases. Turn off the water supply to the toilet and flush to lower the tank water level so the solution contacts the overflow tube and trap area more directly. Slowly pour the diluted bleach into the overflow tube or directly into the tank so it flows into the trap and bowl where mineral deposits form. Let the solution sit for 5 to 10 minutes to allow the sodium hypochlorite to oxidize and loosen mineral films without prolonged exposure that could attack rubber components. After waiting, turn the water back on if you shut it off and flush several times to rinse the system. And repeat once more only if deposits remain visible. Common mistakes include using undiluted bleach or too strong a mix, which can degrade flappers and seals, so stick to 1 part to 10 parts and limit contact time to under 30 minutes. Another issue is pouring bleach into a bowl with other cleaners present, which can produce toxic gases, so always inspect and rinse any residual cleaners before adding bleach. A third concern is assuming bleach will remove heavy scale that is primarily calcium and magnesium. If mineral layers are thick, use a mechanical brush or a white vinegar soak after diluting and testing compatibility. Do not increase bleach concentration, because that will not significantly improve scale removal and may damage parts. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners connect with local contractors and discuss practical maintenance approaches like safe bleach use for toilets. Our community discussion boards let us share tips, ask questions, and find local help, while contractors use the site to find work and engage with potential clients.